Alrighty, I'm controlling an actuator powered by a 24 volt lithium ion battery pack, which will control this 24 volt DC portional actuator. It is controlled by my Raspberry GUI, which I have open and closed, and the voltage is being plotted by using our Arduino Nano. And the serial plot for their Nano right here is measuring 24 volts or less than 24 volts. And that was just me hitting the switch. So I'm also remote into my Raspberry Pi using SSH on my desktop to control the GUI. And I can also control the actuator open and close state with my phone using an app I found on Google Play Store. So as you can see, I'm going to open up the actuator using a 1 to 5 volt controller, which is my Raspberry. So here I go. I click open. And it's in the open position, and then I'm going to hit close. As you can see, you see the voltage dropping on the Arduino. So this is the right is the most current, so you see the drop. And there you go. So, actuator, 24 volt actuator, powered by lithium ion battery, controlled by Raspberry Pi GUI, and voltage monitored by Arduino Nano, which serial plots the voltage on the on the PC.